Continuing with our lesson, there are times where you can factor out a monomial common to all the terms in a polynomial. You may be able to factor the resulting polynomial. By a common monomial, this is the same thing as when we do a GCF, okay, a greatest common factor. So for example, let's say we want to factor x cubed minus 5x squared plus 6x. The first thing you should notice is that the x terms, they all have at least an x in them. So I take out one x from each term. And when I do that, this is like 1x taken out. So instead of having here x cubed, I will only have x squared left. Instead of having 5x squared, I will only have 5x left. And since I already took out the x, I will just have 6 here. Now, notice again, in this parentheses, expression in the parentheses, this is a quadratic. This is what we did in the last unit. What two numbers multiply to 6 add up to -5? Those are -3 and -2, because -3 times -2 is 6, -3 plus -2 is -5. Therefore, x cubed minus 5x squared plus 6x is equal to x times x minus 3 times x minus 2. Now, let's say we want to factor 16x to the 4th minus 2x. So same as earlier, right? We always want to check first for a GCF, or a common monomial. 16 here and then 2 here, so I can take out a 2. When I take out a 2, 16 divided by 2 is 8. 2 divided by 2 is 1. Now, with regards to x's, this is x to the 4th, this is x. So each term has at least one x in them, so I take out that 1x. So my GCF, or my common monomial, is 2x. And I will be left with x cubed here in the first term, because I already took 1. And I will not have x here anymore since I took that 1x outside. Once you do this, you should realize that we're going back to what we learned in the first part of this lesson. 8x cubed is equal to 2x cubed, and 1 cubed is equal to 1 cubed. So this is a difference of 2 cubes. Now, for difference of 2 cubes, remember we have a cubed minus b cubed is equal to a squared plus ab plus b squared. So using this pattern, we now have that 8x cubed minus 1 is equal to 4x squared, because this is your 2x squared plus 2 times 1, your a and your b, plus your 1 squared, your b squared. And then here, this is just your a, and this is your b. And therefore, 16x to the 4th minus 2x is equal to 2x times the quantity 2x minus 1 times 4x squared plus 2x plus 1.